Very interesting thing. Who is behind the fire? If you see this fire, you have to answer this. Who is behind the fire? You see the fire? No? 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 One, two, three. My God. I'm not is still behind the fire. The fire is not even coming by through my own simple efforts. How can the fire work by itself then? It is a proof that fire cannot work itself unless there is someone who ignites the fire. So when you hear somewhere a fire instantly coming, it means there is someone behind that is doing that. Whether a human or someone not a human. Look at this. Now I am behind the fire who ignite this fire. So this fire appeared because of my efforts. You cannot say that this is the fire started by God. This fire is not started by God. I started this fire. I'm so confident that I started this. But I did not create this fire. I'm not a creator of the fire. I am a starter of the fire. I ignited the fire. And I will distinguish this fire. These are my efforts, these are my actions. Through my actions, I have proved that I can start the fire, I can end the fire, I can extinguish the fire, I can blow away the fire, but I cannot create a fire. I am not the creator of the fire. So, who is the creator of the fire? If the science fail against the fire, it means that the fire is more powerful than science. If fire is so powerful than science, then who is more powerful than fire? That is where your answer is.